Hi there, and welcome to a special presentation of Cocktails on the Rocks, your weekly cocktail show with me. Today we're going to be doing a sparkling cranberry cocktail. You're going to need vodka, champagne, simple syrup, lime juice, a can of cranberry sauce, 1 lime, and a cocktail shaker with ice. But if you want to do a mocktail version of this drink, you're going to omit the vodka and take the champagne and replace it with sparkling water.
Oh, that's fun. I like that.
Take 1.5 ounces of vodka and add it to the shaker, then 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Next, take 1 tablespoon of cranberry sauce and also add that to your shaker. Shake it all together really well so it's fully incorporated, and then strain it into a cocktail glass of your choice. You're then going to take your champagne and fill the glass the rest of the way with it. And lastly, garnish your drink with a slice of lime. And there you have it. Cheers, y'all! A delightful and refreshing festive drink. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!